All right, it's been a year since I installed this reach barrier garage door insulation kit. Let's go ahead and see how it's held up. Yeah, it looks like it's still in there pretty good. A little dusty though. So let's go ahead and blow this thing off and see how it holds up. I have a 10-panel garage door, and I think these things are designed for a 8-panel garage door. So these insulation panels are a little bit big, so I just kind of crammed them in here. I was thinking of cutting them perfect, but it was kind of hot and I was kind of tired, so I just crammed them all in there, and I think that's why these are doing so good, because they got this, you can see here, they got this fitting. They're pushed in here really good, and that's holding them in place. So it bent here and it created a nice crease, and it put pressure against them to hold them into place. And the same with the top, if you look underneath here. Very top, it's all pushed in there. So it's got them held into place. You can feel a little bit of a gap there, which they say a little bit of a gap is good because it creates an air pocket. But they're not going anywhere. They're pretty solid here. They're standing up to the heat, and they're standing up to the blower when I hit them with the blower to get the dust off of there. Now, I don't use the blower every day. I have a wind air filter that I use up there. But I do hit them with the blower regularly to get the dust off of there. All right, well, so far so good. If you missed the original video, I'll go ahead and put the link right here.